So we start out today's video with this hair transformation. So it looks like she's getting some color done to go with the cuts. Wow, a gorgeous blonde mullet style. I love it. Very nice. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more haircut transformations. Wow. Beautiful blonde bob style. As well as another gorgeous bob with bangs. Beautifully done. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have more of an angled bob haircut for the next one. Very structured bob haircut for that one. Beautiful. And then we have someone with long dark hair. The stylist chops the hair off. Mixes in some color. Does a nice volumized blowout. And creates a gorgeous texture, very nice. And she has so much volume in her hair. Beautifully done. So then we move on to the next hair transformation. Looks like she's going to get a pixie. So she has a lot of options when it comes to the styling of the particular cut. Very nice. Wow. Love it, love it, love it. Beautifully done. So we're going to have a color transformation for this next one. Some cutting. So it looks like the stylist is just kind of shaving all the hair off. I think that she was losing some hair to the coloring process. And so she's doing more of like the shaven trend. Wow, she looks amazing. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.